All right. Happy Mother's Day to all you beautiful mothers, especially the single mothers honing it down for your family. God bless you guys. Happy Mother's Day. All right, so today I'm going to be doing stage 2 of the debaffle. So obviously you guys heard how the stage 1 sound. If you guys want to hear it again, I'll go. This is how she sounds for stage 1. Alright guys, I'm going to be reading from the Vulcan forums. Note, I have read mixed reviews on stage 2 debaffling may be causing some loss in horsepower. I can't confirm it, but I do think there's an impact just from what I felt when riding. Anyhow, as with stage 1, there's a stage 2, it's also do it at your own risk. And I'm also telling you, do it at your own risk. Stage 2 debaffle sounds awesome and seems to have gotten deeper and louder over the last little while. Chances are good that you're going to hear backfiring and popping on deceleration after this. Alright, so I want to show you the tools that are needed for this process. So obviously you're going to need your drill. You're going to need your 2.5 steel hole saw. And you're going to need some kind of wooden stick. Okay. We're going to drill the hole on these. We're going to use that stick and we're going to move it up and down. It's going to take time, but we'll see how the process goes. Let's do it. She don't care where we go as long as we're gone. Let this how we roll all alone. Ooh, that's gonna be hard. Okay, so just a small little problem. So when I want to drill this out, obviously, but obviously is when I'm doing it on metal, it's gonna go up and down, up and down, up and down, and you don't want that. So a nice, quick hint solution. You want to use this drill right here, and you want something that will fit into that hole. So what I'm gonna use this handle here. I'm not gonna need this. Okay, this is just a flag. So I'm just gonna cut it halfway right here. So I want this measurement to be a little bit tight, and this is fat, so that way it gets stuck in there, and you use that as a guide so the drill won't go up and down. So let's see how that works. All right, here it is. Now, put that bad boy back in there. Let's see. There you go. No. So after you do that, see how it's looking? You got the perfect circle. And that's why you need that guide. You need that wooden stick. So that way you don't want to cut none of your exhaust pipes. If not, you're going to screw up bad. So there it is. So now what I'm going to have to do is get the stick. I'm going to let this cool down first. I'm going to push it over there, in and out, and I'm going to have to just wiggle it up, down, left, right, up, down, left, right, like I'm exercising. All right, so let's cool that one down. I'm going to start working on that one. Vulcan. All right, so now, since you got that one done, let that one cool. This one should be cool already. And go ahead and work her. So in this process here, it's going to take a while. You have to probably do this maybe for 5 minutes, up and down. So basically what you want to do is you want it to be snapped out. And that's exactly what you want to do. Just move it around until she pops. And she's really good. More room to wiggle, but right now it's not giving me too much to wiggle with, so I'm gonna try to bend these inward. So now it'll be able to allow me to bend it more. That's exactly what you want to do. Whatever you do, do not hit your chrome. Bend them back just like that. The more, the better. So that way now you'll be able to wiggle it more. There she is. I popped her. And that's how you do it, guys. Just like that. And just do it for that part, and that's it. Check it out, boy. I got her. Wanna see how she smells like? Yeah. Woo! Same thing. Just wanna do the bottom one. You bend those things. Do the same way. Loosen her up. She should be popping any moment. she is. Woo. Got another one, buddy. I got another one. There's the second one. After that, you want to go ahead and vacuum that. All right, clean it around, and let's give her a test. Woo! Now that's sexy. All right, so do it at your own risk, but it's definitely well worth it. All right, y'all. Peace. Till next time. Stage 1.